Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce artifacts and banding with Nano Banana. So I generated this image and it had some issues with those. So what I did, I ended up giving this prompt. I'll give you the keywords right here that you can go ahead and use as well. So these ones are to reduce artifacts and these ones are to reduce banding. These are prompt terms that you can use because, Nano Banana, which is being used on Gemini usually, it is a natural language model AI. So use these kind of keywords to describe what you want done, and it will do a pretty good job. So we'll come back here to Gemini. And to use Nano Banana, by the way, click here on Tools at the bottom and make sure you have Create Images right here clicked, okay? So it's toggled like this, and you're at least using the 2.5 flash. This is the latest model, okay? And now I use the prompt, okay? And then you just hit enter and it will give you an updated image. So let's go ahead and compare, right? So we basically wanted the sunset sky with a seamless color transition from orange to purple, smooth gradient transitions, no visible banding. As you can see, it's much more smooth. No visible bandings going on here. Okay, we've increased all of these as well. Digital noise eliminated, clean, razor sharp edges. Just use natural language and you will be good to go. If you want to add your own image, you can click here to add files, or you can even just go ahead and drag and drop the images and just enter your prompt. Okay, you just go ahead and paste it in. I'll leave the prompt key terms in the description as well. And that is how to reduce artifacts and banding with Nano Banana.